In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include quoted text in the Outlook email. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reply with the original message included, so your conversations stay clear and easy to follow. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook. This is the quickest way to get to the official Outlook site without needing to remember a specific address. In the results, click the official Outlook link from Microsoft to launch the web version. Once Outlook opens, sign in if you're prompted, then go straight to your inbox. This is where all your incoming messages live. Find the email you want to respond to and open it so you can see the full message. Taking a moment to scan the content first is helpful because it'll make your reply more precise and ensure the right parts of the conversation are captured in your quote. Now, click the reply icon. It usually looks like a curved arrow near the top of the message. You can also use the drop-down to pick reply or reply all, depending on who you need to include. As soon as you do this, Outlook creates a reply draft for you, places your cursor at the top, and automatically includes the original message below your response. You'll also notice the subject line prefixed with RE to indicate it's part of an ongoing thread. Type your response above the quoted section. This placement is important. It keeps the most recent thoughts at the top while preserving the previous message for context. If the original message is long, feel free to tidy it up. You can select and delete lines of the quoted text that aren't needed while keeping the key parts that help your recipient understand what you're addressing. This is a great way to keep your emails concise without losing context. If you need to bring others into the conversation, switch to reply all so everyone stays in the loop. And if you want to share the entire message with someone new, forward will also include the original content by default. By default, Outlook includes the original message in replies. If you don't see it for some reason, your account may be configured differently. In that case, check your reply settings later to ensure the option to include the original message is enabled. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook through your browser, go to your inbox, open the email, click Reply, and Outlook takes care of quoting the original message for you. Type above the quote, trim what you don't need, and send with confidence.